Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a YouTube video. As you can see, I'm in Hawaii in the background. So the first step is to put on my primer, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And now I'm going to apply my foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the color 110 Porcelain. And now I'm going to apply my NARS Radiant Cream Concealer underneath my eyes. Now to bronze my face, I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. I'm going to put some on my beauty blender and put it in the areas to bronze my face. Here, and then I will blend it out. And now I'm going to take my B Matte blush and use this light color and this color over here and blush for my face. Alright, and now for highlighter, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Ambruzzi highlighter, and I'm going to put this on my cheekbones and on my nose. Alright, now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows off camera with my Anastasia Brow Pomade in the color Medium Brown. I'm going to be doing a very pink look, I believe. So I'm going to be taking my Violet Voss palette right here, and I'm taking the color Flamingo, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. This. Now on top of that, I'm going to take the color Peach right here, and then on top of Peach, I'm going to take the color Buttercup and blend these out into the crease. And I'm also going to be using my finger to do this. Alright, so here is the eyeliner, or the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to apply a very thin line of liner. And this is with my Maybelline Liquid Liner All Day. Alright, so here's the liner, and now I'm going to do my mascara and lashes. Alright, so I just put my lashes on. This one's coming off. So now the final step is lips. So I'm going to be taking this Kat Von D shade in the color Lovecraft. Let's put this all over them. And then I'm just going to take some lip balm and make them a little bit more shiny. And now the last step is to put on one more layer of mascara. Alright, so here is the final look. Anyways, I hope that you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe as well. See you guys later. Bye.